God, I'm tired. Not the kind of tired that sleep can fix, not just worn out from the 9 to 5 or chores or endless to-do lists. I'm soul tired. You know that feeling? When you put on a brave face, smile in public, but inside you're falling apart? You tell everyone I'm fine, but if you're honest, you're anything but. You keep showing up, pouring out for others, but it feels like no one notices when your own cup runs dry. You pray, sometimes with hope, sometimes just out of habit. But it can feel like your words drift away into the silence. God, I do believe in you, and I trust you most days anyway, but some days I just don't know how to keep going. The weight, it's heavy. The waiting, the wondering, the pressure, it all adds up. But here's what hits me. Right when I feel like I can't take another step, you never asked me to carry this alone. You said, "Come to me, all you who are weary and heavy burdened, and I will give you rest." So I'm coming. Not with the perfect words, not polished or put together, just real. I lay down my exhaustion, my doubts, my pain. I hand over the mess I can't fix, the questions I can't answer. I breathe in your peace and breathe out my fear. I may be tired, but you're not. You don't sleep, you don't slumber, you don't forget. When I fall apart, you hold me together. When I'm too weak to stand, you carry me. When I cry out, you listen. So whether you're hearing this at midnight or first thing in the morning, let this be your reminder. You're not forgotten. You're not a failure. You're not broken beyond repair. You're just tired, and that's okay. Because with God, you can finally rest. Not because the storm has stopped, but because you trust the one who's right there in the boat with you. Amen.